mothers make some nice for her, please.
Mommy.
I know we have to do this so we can take care of the parents because they take care of we when we young. So, as once again, much love to all the women in the world, especially the mothers, you know.
Mommy.
True. Oh yeah, we face struggles but we fighting now. Life rough, yes, the time so hard. Look around how much use they are man. Police a find them a road and no food they are yard. College done, youths can't find a job. Mama want the boy in son so till her knee come apart. Almost have us survive for just the mercy of God. The oppressors in the place now see the road will be trod. Oh no, don't you worry mama, things can get much harder. Who I'm gonna heal the Father, cause we are gonna get all the things we ask for. Dry your eyes, mama, you don't have to cry. Once you're by our side, you don't have to cry. Dry your eyes, mama, shall we provide? Once you're by our side, we'll be alright. Dry your eyes, mama. Bad fi cook, but it dirty tough. Youths are look on fi post, cause food just not enough. We at the back we trust, cause politics get enough. Cause the cash are minus when them did say if it plus. Oh no, now things are get worse. Son about growing short, plus father can't find no work. Mama hustle at home and police take we are stuff. Son well mama and I say mama going come. Don't you worry mama, things can get much harder. Who am go heal the Father, cause we are go get all the things we ask for. Dry your eyes mama, you don't have to cry. Once you're by our sides, we'll be alright. Dry your eyes, mama, you don't have to cry. Once you're by our side, we'll be alright. Dry your eyes, oh baby. Dry your eyes. There's so many children out here to feed. Can't get my thoughts overwhelmed with grief. Instead the ones around me. The sky is the limit and we were born with wings. Highly said I say I was born again. For believe this earth and all I give. Cleanse the weak from them suffering. And when the sun come we buy a beds and put him a dine the front seat. Black people winning and the whole world don't see. Still I say I don't teach. Say material and spirituality shall never compete. We winning until see. I'm still maintain the peace. I'm giving them, said we're giving them so real. From kings and priests to these chains, from these chains to being in our head. True suffering and much pain, only Jah know the tears that we pay. Get the youth we want to be great, this word done right in our DNAs. That's the soul that can't take away, that's our soul that can't take away. So all our hopes are trying to take from me, but they never know what Jah plan be. But they disgrace not to disappear, then them know but right back to plan B. All I need is a mic and just one beat, to spread the love on our Black Street. Some me sing the songs I can't back street. Black race within like grand athlete, tell the world government them to stop thief. Or in a room we gon' drop it, but they can't give fall like tree shop leaves. While children fall with these cap squeeze. Some who's secure when these clap beat, who's secure when these long waves. No one but me now, we've been struggling so long. Wait until it's done, and then mission complete. If I happen to put me mother in a different seat, black people winning and the whole world don't see. Still I say I don't teach, say material and spirituality shall never compete. Dry your eyes, mama, you don't have to cry. Jah by your side, we'll be alright. Try your eyes, man. Yeah. Yeah. So that one, thank you. So that one was taken from my project 24 Eden Garden, Kingston 10. That one was called Dry Eyes, and it was a mashup with another song called When Mission Complete. So you can check out those songs. Follow me on IG, you can find the link easy. Just.IZEN, JUST.IZEN. Yeah. So come honor the mothers them and the female them. So once again we're going on the next segment again. True. The man them where they are, we know say them hard working. No say sometimes it's gonna make them stay a little bit away from them woman. But we know that we have to always make time for them throughout all of the hard work and the woman then give you the healing so we can continue. What do you say about that?
That's right.
True. Felt what kind of man would I think of myself? If my empress needs me to save her and I'm not there today, would it make me a hero or a villain instead? Saving the world while my girls are alone at home in that bed. She want to start a bonfire and me got the wood. Plus the lighter and the fire people got the mood. Spurling her so what's up we play no that in a choose. Energy right through the night and none of that now go lose. A patient is painting and we say it no more. In less than a minute I'll pull up right at your door. Prepare for the seed, burning right through the core. You say you need me but girl I need you more. There is a burning inside my soul. Wherever you are right now, let me know. I wanna let it off. There is a burning inside my soul. Wherever you are right now, let me know. I wanna let it off. Oh yeah. Yeah, she knows that the mission is serious and the music have to make so the money can feed us. But now we have to close all of the gap between us. So the me feel up and me squeeze up. We love. She knows that the mission is serious. Men into the thing and so the thing don't seal up. And no exchange to no phone, me got deliver real touch. Who trust a love and not cheap up, no real. Hey, well I know it's been long, but girl, don't stop the timing. And when I come here for grinding, we come here for work like 12 to 12 when we grinding. Bring the light and make your moon shining now. I feel the time now. Look in my eyes now and hear the words where I go. Won't let your side now, so get it off your mind now. Hold me close, girl, go stop right now. There is a burning inside of my soul. Wherever you are right now, let me know. I wanna let it off. There is a burning inside of my soul. Wherever you are right now, let me know. I wanna let it off. What kind of man would I make of myself? If my empress needs me to save her and I'm not there to help, would it make me a hero or a villain instead? Saving the world while my girls are alone at home in that bed. Start a bonfire and we got the wood. Plus the lighter and the fire we put at the mood. Spurling her so what's up we play no cantina boots. Energy right through the night and none of that now go lose. Patient is she painting, when no more. In less than a minute I'll pull up right at your door. Prepare for the heat, burning right through the core. Saying you need me but girl I need you more. Here is a burning. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. So that one was called Burning in My Soul. Yeah, so on to the next again. Let's see a couple of people are smoke, so alright, man, do that one here, acapella. If you want to catch it, you can catch. And this one is called Therapy.
Therapy.
Yeah, you go like this. Don't need no therapy, no way. One way to ease the pain, I say, bring me the highest grade. Oh well, don't need no therapy. No, 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 no. Pretty little flower, green's the perfect color, brown on the other side. So go like this. Walk into a room full of cannabis. Oh well. Round a 30 pound of marijuana things. Oh yeah. Strictly steam and sick when me no know about no sniff. Pull it with me lip and fire ignite the tip. Musical creations I it inspire me. We balance from the rhythm, me no drop off a hit. We the elite, no therapy. Alright, go and play get to the see what go on. I will depend on the marijuana vibe, so we'll just go to the next verse and then we'll leave. Me no therapy, no way. I'm really trying to say is, I'm really trying to say is, I'm really trying to say is. Alright, follow me now. Get me. I'm really trying to say is, for the island for the pianist. Standing in the crowd, floating in the clouds, that's how my brain be. True in a deep meditation, don't feel so crazy. Steaming at the green alien, we don't touch my lady. I'm really trying to say is, we feel like we're the war within the heavy. Dig up it and show Babylon close to bed and grave day. Teaching youth and roots and culture, we abolishing slavery. No feet in chains, well in the cell, bell on these chains, yeah. If I 2 bags, then a 2 pack. Go ask if I 10 pounds, I few that. Have a crocus bag, we know that we look cool that. So every mental shackles, we remove that. Teaching His Majesty philosophies to schoolers. People in the system of our tyrannic rulers. Tell them now, say they give up the throne, flames. In the wrong order of tuna in pound. Oh, well all I need is some marijuana. Take me to where I take me where I wanna go. No touch the herb, I see other. No touch the herb, I see other. All I need is some marijuana. Take me to where I take me where I wanna go. Touch the herb, I see other. Some roll up on me there. You know you have the variation, me as a man, me like tear the wristline off and just go and burn a one cig, you see me? But you don't know more what you have to give up Bob Marley saying it. Second, size ranging from Bob Marley to Ziggy. Neater than a tailor made like constructions we believe. Skipper say look how we brown and how we pretty. Never touch the city, lest me find that they with me then. Smoking in the crowd is like a cloud, they with me. Santa Claus through a pound in the chimney. Right on the sky is like me neighbor smoking with me. Higher than the highest notes them off with me. If I 2 bags then a 2 pack. Gumbo ask if I 10 pounds then a few that. Have a crocus bag we would have with me crew that. So every mental shackles we remove. Hey, teaching His Majesty philosophies to schoolers. People in the system of all tyrannic rulers. Tell them now say we give up the throne of flames. In a wrong order of Judah in town. So all I need is some marijuana. Yeah man, so I hit that. So once again the name is Dimitri Eisen. And IG is just JUST.IZEM. So you can check me out there. Yeah, so let's see some experiments. Can't drop down in the system out there. Cause enough little roots fall victims out there. Yeah. The ghetto is a construct, and it's shaped in violence. Another way to keep some very great minds hiding. There are environment hinders progress. Papa dead, mama ball, and the youths go lonely. I said the gun become the things that consoling. And when him gone, the cycle just revive again. There's so many ways that we can get up. Second, the strong give strength so we can get up. Life rough and only the strong can endure. Life sharp but the righteous shall live for life and more. Good life hold them that love you so low. I said their head is stuck in the place that they go. And that's the means that the system imposes. Yes, that's the means that the system controls. And that's the truth that some do and don't know. And there's the truth that some choose to let go. I said the destinies in the mind that we hold. And there's some things that just only Jah know. There's so many ways that we can get up. Second, the strong give strength so we can get up. Life of fun, only the strong can endure. Life sharp but the righteous shall live forevermore. Can't hold me down. Can't hold me down no longer. No way, no way. Can't drop down in the system of this. Cause I know few youths but victims of it. The ghetto is a construct, and it's shaped in violence. Another way to keep some very great minds hiding. There are environment hinders progress. Who are dead, who are bad, and the youths go lonely. I said the gun become the things that console you. And when you dead, the cycle just revive again. Oh yeah. Yeah man, so that one was called Maze. Thank you, thank you. So once again, my name is Dimitri Isaac. Instagram it's just just.izem. So yeah, that's it. In the next one. So we see a lovely couple right here, so just make some nice for yourself, please. I know we have to, we promote the balance every time, true. And all the other lovely females in the house, make some nice for yourself, please. Because there's nothing else that can cheer up a man's day than a lovely woman. True. It's been a long, long time I've been waiting for someone like you. Is there a track in my mind, girl, all day I've been running right through? Oh, if you ever leave my side and tell me what will I do? Well, it's the highlight of my times whenever I'm with you. You put a party to the clouds, I love for us to come down. As I am your child, you relieve my frowns. And after the rain, then you bring the rainbows. Wanna take you out, try to the whole town. Wanna see you smile in the streets of the soon. Bring peace to my mind, lift me up when I'm down. What can I say? Oh, what can I say? Baby, you bring me sunshine. The bread of my life. Every time you bring me sunshine and peace to my mind. Every time you bring me sunshine, you bring me joy into my life. You bring me sunshine, and there ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Da 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 da, the days away. Skin black on your alright, alright. Wanna love you all night. You're always welcome my way. Pass by, see the little arms and you move over and tight. The place ignite, bring light to my dark times. Countless amount of time, I tell the world you're all nice. The place ignite, bring life to my dark times. Countless amount of time, I tell the world you're all nice. Every word of my life, every time you bring me sunshine, bring peace to my mind. Every time you bring me sunshine, said you bring the joy into my life. You bring me sunshine, and there ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Oh no. You bring me sunshine, there ain't no sunshine, no more. Nice, nice. Thank you.